Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I love snacks and I love chicken, and there's nothing better than these air-fried chicken nuggets. I did them in an air fryer. You don't have to do them that way, but it's just incredibly delicious. There are only a few basic ingredients. Everybody's going to love them, so let me walk you through this. So what I've got here is some boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I've cut into nugget size. And I'm going to season this up with some salt. And of course my all-time favorite, pepper. Next up, what I'm going to do is dip my nuggets in some melted butter. Then dip them into some Italian breadcrumbs. Now you can use panko too, or the breadcrumbs of your choice. I just like the Italian. It's got a really nice flavor. Then just set them aside on a plate. So I'm going to slip them into my air fryer, preheated at 190 for about 4 minutes. And what you want to do is fry these in batches. It's going to take about 2 batches, I would say. And we'll do this for about 8 minutes. After about 8 minutes, they're nicely done, tender and juicy. If you want them really crispy, you might want to air fry it a little longer. I should mention too that you can also deep fry them or put them in the oven. I just like the air fryer. These look and smell so good. And there you have it, guys, our incredibly delicious air fryer nuggets. So let's go ahead and give this a taste test, and I made up this incredibly delicious honey garlic sauce, just a combination of honey and garlic. So let's dip them in and give it a try. So good. With the sauce, the chicken is tender, it's juicy. I just love it. You gotta make this. For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff there. Thanks for subbing, thanks for watching, and see you next time.